So do you also regularly receive your user queries on WhatsApp, and do you also want to reply to all the users automatically even while you are sleeping? Then this video can be really helpful for you. So hello all, welcome back to Pabbly, and in this video we are going to understand how to build a 24/7 AI agent for WhatsApp. So like you, I'm also running a business and we regularly receive user queries on WhatsApp, but this is such a time consuming and a tedious task to reply to those same WhatsApp messages over and over again. So to solve this problem, I've simply created an AI agent, and now whenever my user is going to send me a message, an automatic reply will be sent towards my user even while I'm sleeping 24/7. All of this is going to happen without any manual intervention. So if you also want to create this amazing AI agent for your own business, then for that you have to come with me towards my screen. Welcome to my screen everyone. So let's get started and create an AI agent for WhatsApp who's going to solve your customer queries 24/7. But before we move on further and create this AI agent, first I'm just going to show you the proper working of this AI agent. Let's say I'm just going to message them, hey, I need help. I'm just going to simply type this message and I'm just going to simply send them this message which says, hey, I need help. It is saying, I'm here to help you. What do you need assistance with? So let's say I'm just going to simply type, I bought a pair of Nike Air shoes last week, but they are a bit too small. Can I return them? And I'm just going to simply send them this message. And as you can see, automatically within seconds and in real time, we have received the reply right over here. Yes, you can return your shoes. You have 30 days window for free returns. Alright, now I'm just going to simply ask them another question, which is great. How do I start the return process? And I'm just going to simply send them this message. And once I'm just going to send them this message, an automatic reply will be generated once again, and we're going to see that this is the return process. Now I'm just going to ask them the another question. Perfect. Once I return them, how long will it take for my money back? Alright, I'm just going to simply send them this message, and as you can see, within seconds and in real time, my AI agent has replied me. But you must be wondering from where this AI agent got the knowledge of all my business details. So I've simply created a knowledge base and I've uploaded this knowledge base on my AI agent, and using this knowledge base only, my AI agent is giving me all the replies. Alright, so let's say I'm just going to simply ask them about the summer sale. So I'm just going to simply type, let me know about your summer sale, and I'm just going to simply send them this message. And once I'm just going to send them this message, within seconds and in real time, it is going to reply me, during our summer sale you can enjoy a discount of 50% off on electronics. And as you can see, this is the exact same line which is written right over here in my knowledge base. So this AI agent is only replying using these details of the knowledge base. So yes, we are just going to create this AI agent who is going to reply 24/7 and solve all the user queries even while you are sleeping. Once create this AI agent, and then you can sit back and relax. So let's get started without wasting any more time further. I'm just going to open a new tab and I'm just going to look for the landing page of Pabbly Chatflow simply by typing pabbly.com/chatflow in my browser. Now it is opening the landing page of Pabbly Chatflow, using which we're going to create this connection, or you can say using which we're going to create this AI agent. But before we move on further, I'll just show you something really helpful. This is the Pabbly community where automation users, business owners and marketers connect. Pabbly community is a space where users share their ideas, workflow tips, doubts and solutions. So if you're stuck at any step, the community is a great resource for guidance because we have experts in this. Alright, if you also want to join this amazing community, the link is given in the description box below. Make sure to check it out. Alright, I'm just going to go back towards the landing page of Pabbly Chatflow, and right now an Independence Day sale is going on. So if you wish to purchase Pabbly Chatflow, today is a great day. You can purchase it on heavy discount. And now I'm just going to move in further. For that, we have two options. One is sign in and the another one is sign up for free. So if you are a new user, you can simply click on this sign up for free and you're going to get 100 free credits to explore Pabbly Chatflow. But over here, if you are an existing user like me, you simply have to click on this button which says sign in. And once we click on this sign in, it is saying all Pabbly apps. And over, we're going going to see all the tools and applications offered by Pabbly. But in today's video, we are going to use Pabbly Chatflow because we want to automate marketing, sales and customer support over WhatsApp. So I'm just going to simply click on this access now right over here to access my Pabbly Chatflow account. And we're just going to create this AI assistant without knowing a single line of programming or coding language using Pabbly Chatflow only. So as you can see that now we have simply opened the dashboard of Pabbly Chatflow, and in order to create this AI assistant, we first have to add the WhatsApp number inside Pabbly Chatflow. So for that, you simply have to go towards this add WhatsApp number. You're going to get two methods, WhatsApp Connect and Manual Token Connect. So you can use any one of this method to add your WhatsApp number. A video tutorial dedicated towards both of these methods have been attached in the description box below. You can check it out. It is really easy to add the WhatsApp number. As you can see that I have already added this WhatsApp number, so I'm just going to move on further and create my AI assistant. So I'm just going to go towards this left end of the side of my Pabbly Chatflow dashboard, and over here going to see all the features offered by Pabbly Chatflow. But in today's video, we are only going to focus on this AI assistant. Otherwise, if you want to learn about any of this feature in detail rather than AI assistant, a video tutorial dedicated towards each of them is attached in the description box below. You can check it out. Let's move in further and create this AI agent for WhatsApp who's going to solve all the user queries 24/7. I'm just going to go towards this AI assistant feature of Pabbly Chatflow, and over here you're going to see the total AI assistant, the active AI assistant and the inactive AI assistant. So I'm just going to create a new, so I'm just going to go towards this add AI assistant. I'm just going to simply name my AI assistant and click on this add. And now once we click on this add, yes, you can see that a window something like this is opening in front of us. And now it is asking me to select the instruction type. So we can select the instruction type as custom prompt, or over here we have some pre-built examples too. So if you wish to give a custom prompt, you can simply select custom prompt and give your custom prompt. But we have some pre-built examples like AI agent, customer support agent, sales agent and much more. So according to your own specific needs, if you want to automate customer support, you can select customer support agent. If you want to automate sales, you can go towards the sales and so on. I'm just going to simply select it as AI agent because I want to automate customer support and sales both over WhatsApp. And once I'm just going to select the instruction types automatically, it has entered the instructions right over here. If you wish, you can definitely edit these too. Now I'm just going to move in further. It is asking me for the temperature. So the temperature is the setting using which how creative or how focused the AI is going to answer. So I'll just clarify this, like if you move the temperature towards 0, the AI is going to answer more focused, and if you move this temperature towards 1, the AI is going to answer more creatively. So according to the answers you wish from the AI or you expect from the AI, you can select the temperature. I'm just going to simply select it as 0.3 right over here because I want more focused answers. Now it is asking me for the AI to use, so I'm simply going to select it as OpenAI. For the model, I'm just going to use GPT-4o mini. You can select any another of your choice. Now for the API key, what you have to do is you simply have to go towards this hyperlink which says OpenAI API key page. And as you can see that this is opening my API key page. Now from here we are just going to create a key. For that you have to go towards this create new secret key button. You have to enter your key name and then select the project and click on this create secret key button, and your API key will be created. And then we're just going to simply paste this API key right over here in our workflow. And after pasting this API key, I'm just going to simply click on this button which says connect. And once I'm just going to click on this connect, it is saying OpenAI key saved successfully. Alright, now we can move in further. It is saying AI assistant settings. So over here, if you wish to add a footer or a header message, you can simply switch it on and add the header or a footer message right over here. I'm just going to switch it off. And now the next is this stop keywords. So over here you can enter the keywords that the user is going to type in order to stop the AI assistant. So let's say that your user wants to speak to a human and it is typing human as a keyword. So let's say you keep human as a keyword right over here. You type human and press enter to add this keyword. So let's say user types human, then automatically the AI assistant is going to stop. The chart of that user will be moved towards this intervene section where automatically it can't be moved back towards the AI. It is going to reply some human review to move it back towards the AI. So if you wish, you can definitely add these top keywords as human or human support or something like that. Alright, now I'm just going to move on further. The next is this retry attempt. So I'm just going to simply switch it on, and over here you have to specify the number of fallback retry attempts if the AI assistants fail to respond. So the valid range is between 1 to 10, so you can select according to your own choice. I'm just going to simply switch it off. Now it is asking me for the fallback message. So over here you have to enter the message to display when the AI assistant API key is not responding. So let's say user has an emergency and the AI assistant API key is not responding, and this fallback message is sent towards the user. So what you can do is you can simply add your support email address in this fallback message. I'm just going to simply add the support email address of my company right over here, and as you can see that this is the same, so I'm just going to simply add it. And now whenever this API key is not responding, automatically my user is going to get this support email address and they can contact me on the same. Alright, now with this we have successfully completed this AI instructions, and we are just going to move towards this knowledge source. So as I've already informed you that yes, this AI agent is going to reply me according to my knowledge source only. So it is really important to add this knowledge source, right, so that we can get accurate answers. But you must be wondering from where we're just going to add this knowledge source. You have to connect a knowledge source which is unique towards your business. It should include the FAQs, company background and more that your chatbot can utilize while answering the questions. So you must be wondering how you're going to add that. So for that you simply have to write down your knowledge source into a Google Doc, and from here you have to go towards this file and then download, and you can simply download this in TXT format or PDF format. Both are supported, but I'll suggest you that download it in TXT format, because for PDF format there's no page limits for text PDF, but if the PDF has images the limit is up to 10 pages, and for TXT we don't have any limits, and this TXT is also preferred. So I'll suggest you download this in TXT format. If you wish you can definitely do it in PDF too. I'm just going to simply download it in text format, and I'm just going to simply upload this knowledge source. So I'm just going to simply upload this knowledge source, and as you can see that we have successfully uploaded this knowledge source right over here. Now I'm just going to move on further, go towards this AI interface. Now it is saying header display heading name. So over here I'm just going to simply enter the name of my brand. So as you can see that this is my brand name, so I'm just going to simply enter it, and as you can see it is going to change right over here too. Now I'm just going to move on further. It is saying header display subheading name. So over here you're going to see the subheading is we are online and happy to assist you. I'm just going to keep it as same only. If you wish you can definitely change it. For the initial message you can add up to 2 initial messages. You can simply type the initial message and press enter, and automatically it is going to be added. I'm just going to keep it as 1 only and move on further. Over here it is saying display the powered by Pabbly label. So if you wish you can keep it as enabled. If you wish to disable it you can simply keep it as disable, and this is going to disappear right from here. I'm just going to keep it as enable and move on further. The next is footer text and footer link. So if you wish you can definitely add the footer text and the link right over here. The next is this user first message. So what you can do is you can simply add the user's first message that will be sent as the initial message from the user on WhatsApp. So I'm just going to keep it as hey I need help, and as you can see that this was the same message which I sent to start the chat. Alright, now I'm just going to move on further. The next is this styling. So coming over here towards the styling section, you can simply style your WhatsApp chatbot, or you can say AI agent. You can change the theme, you can change the background colors, you can change the font and much more from this. So you can change it right from here. I am just going to keep it as same only, and with this we have successfully completed this AI agent. And now I'm just going to simply switch it on and click on this save AI assistant, and with this we have successfully created this AI assistant. And now let's say I want to attach this on my website. So for that I'm just going to simply go towards this embedded, and over here is the script. So we can simply add the script on our website, and automatically this AI assistant will be added on our website too. Further, if you want you can manually assign it to a contact too. So you can simply go towards this inbox section. So I'm just going to simply go towards this inbox section. I'm just going to open this inbox in a new tab. So I'm just going to simply open it, and after opening it, let's say I'm just going to simply assign this AI assistant to this demo. So I'm just going to simply go towards this choose AI assistant, and I'm just going to simply assign this AI agent for WhatsApp and click on this save. And now whenever this demo is going to send me a message, automatically this AI is going to respond. But this is such a tedious task, right, to assign one AI assistant manually to each contact. So what you can do is if you want to assign this AI assistant to a list of contacts, you first have to create a contact list by going towards this contact section, and then you have to follow me. You have to go towards this settings and then towards this inbox settings, and after coming over here towards this inbox settings we simply have to scroll, and as you can see the option of this AI auto reply settings, you can simply go towards this enable AI auto replies, and simply you have to select the contact list which you have created by going towards this contact section, and you simply have to select the AI agent you want to assign, and as you can see that I've simply did this, and now I'm just going to click on this save, and now automatically this AI assistant has been assigned to all the contacts in this list, and now whenever they're going to message, only this AI agent is going to respond. So yes, you can see that we have successfully completed this AI agent, and now I'm just going to test it once again. So first I'm just going to go back towards my WhatsApp, and I'm just going to clear this previous conversation and start fresh. So I'm just going to type, hey, I need help once again, and I'm just going to simply send them this message. And once I'm just going to send them this message, it is saying, I am here to assist you, I'm here to help you. Alright, so I'm just going to simply ask a query once again, which is, I'm thinking about buying iPhone 15 Pro Max from your site. So I'm just going to simply send them this message, and once I'm just going to send them this message, it is going to share me all the details. So yes, you can see that we have successfully received all the details, and it is saying for the promotion you can get a free MagSafe charger. Let's say I'm just going to ask another question. Perfect, how much is it shipping to California? And I'm just going to simply send them this message, and once I'm just going to send them this message, yes, you can see an automatic reply will be generated. Over here are the shipping charges. So within seconds and in real time, this AI assistant is solving all the user queries, that too without any manual intervention. Alright, so let's say I'm just going to simply ask another question from this FAQ section. What if my product arrives damaged? So I'm just going to simply send them this message. What if my product arrives damaged? And once I'm just going to send them this message, within seconds AI is going to reply me, if your product arrives damaged, you can contact us within 48 hours of receiving it. So this is exactly the same which we have entered right over here in knowledge source. So yes, you can see that with this we have successfully completed this AI agent for WhatsApp, and it is going to solve all my user queries 24/7 even while I'm sleeping. And all of this is going to happen without any manual intervention. You once have to create this AI agent, assign it to your contacts, and sit back and relax. So yes, now go try this amazing AI agent for your own business too, because right now we are offering a free trial of Pabbly Chatflow. And while trying, if you have any questions related to the video or the workflow, you can directly comment on this video. See you in the next video with many more automation tips, everyone. Thank you for watching. So not only this, but with the help of Pabbly Chatflow, you can create multiple chatbots which are tailored to your specific business needs. So now if you have any questions, you can reach us at support@pabbly.com. If you have any queries, you can reach us at forum.pabbly.com, and if you have any pricing related issues, you can follow this URL. And now go try this amazing WhatsApp chatbot for your own business too, because right now we are offering a free trial of Pabbly Chatflow.